sourdough Hawaiian rolls. Gosh, these are so fabulous, and they're so soft and so like tender and sweet. I mean, look at the way those just pull apart, right? So delicious. So let's go quickly through this video on how we make it. So here I am melting the butter, and I added the milk and the sugar to it, melted it, mixed in the starter and the flour and the salt, and we just put it all together. We let that ferment overnight, which just gives you that great breakdown of the phytic acid so that your body can absorb all the nutrients from the flour. I usually do about half all-purpose organic unbleached flour, and the other half is my freshly ground wheat berries from Azure Standard that are organic as well. So I use a mock mill 100 to grind the wheat berries, and then I mix the stuff together. Too much wheat berries is too dense for me, but I want to have that nutrients from breaking down the bran and the wheat berries itself, and not just use all the white flour all the time, even if it is organic. So here I'm doing the pinch and pull method. You just take it lightly in your hand, and you'll see that this dough is pretty soft compared to some other rolls. So you need to have the extra flour, just kind of like get some flour in your little fingertips. So kind of put it in your hand. This is obviously going much faster than what you normally can do. And just pulling from the bottom to the top, rotating it. So you're creating that nice smoothness on the top. Then you see the pinch marks on the bottom. But when I first put them in the cast iron pan, I am putting them smooth side down, because once I get them all done, I'm going to roll them all around in the butter. It just makes it so, I love the way that butter just does. Makes everything so nice and yummy. So see, I'm rolling them around and I'm flipping them back over so that the smooth part is on top. And then we're going to let them rise for a couple hours, and we're going to give them a bake. And then we're going to enjoy them. So, yep, look how perfect they turn out. Delicious.